Yo, how's it going, people? This is just a quick video showing my experience at SX WORX in Sheffield in the UK. For those of you who don't know, SX WORX is a practice motocross track for all ages, and this particular ride was the e-bike night session, which runs from 4:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. It was really good fun, and we saw lots of different bikes such as Sur Light Bs, Sur Ultra Bs. I was on my Talaria Sting R MX4. Shifty e-bikes was with us as well, and he was on his Talaria XXX, and there was also a couple of Stark Vargs flying around as well, which are absolutely mental bikes. There's a whole different sound to the Stark Varg. It's quite a high-pitched whizzing sound that comes from them, so you can definitely tell which is the Stark Varg just by the sound of the bike. Sadly, I only had my chest mount, so the footage of me riding isn't great, so I won't bore you too much with that. Let's get into the video.
So SX WORX, first time here. Bobbling all over the place. Should have bought my helmet mount, like a tool. I just bought the chest mount. So why I bought the chest mount instead, I have no idea. But you know, we live and learn. I have spotted a couple of these, well, another YouTuber here. Let's say this one. Not Francis, I think he's it as well. Third run, or fourth run of the day. Probably the last. First run, I was just feeling it out. Second run, was really decent. Cleared a couple of jumps, which I was really happy about. Third run, nearly fell off on every single jump. Lost my confidence. We're back on the fourth run. Trying to keep it nice and steady. There he goes. If I'm not mistaken, that is the man. It's the Matt Francis official. We've got a couple of Stark Vargs. Also had a couple of Ultra Bs on the track today. They are, the Stark Vargs are fucking mental. Really go fast. Smashing it. Quick run. There he is, Shifty bikes. Oh yeah.
Just as we bring the video to a close, I thought I would quickly mention I've rebranded the channel for a more sleeker, professional look as we begin to grow the channel in 2025. The new forever name is Just Jammy Official. I'm still Jammy, and thank you to everyone who's watched this video, my previous videos, and for all the continued support. As always, like and subscribe if you're not already. Take it easy, and peace out.